go. Here, this is actually the second time I've rode it. The first one was to make sure there wasn't any major catastrophe. And then it's all warmed up now. Still might have to do some things to the carburetor. It's got lots of odds and ends left to do. Choke, cable, brake cable, a couple little electrical things. I see the brake switch is stuck on in the brake light. But it is kind of glad that it works, and the headlights work too. So I'm just going to take it for a little spin around. With a 2 range is over here, and then 2 and 4-wheel drive up here. That plowed field is woohoo! Getting used to how one of these things handles is going to take a while. I'm used to motorcycles, even dirt bikes, and this is totally weird. It sort of wallows and floats, and that doesn't feel right. And then the automatic clutch part of it is totally strange too. So anywho, it's getting right cold out here. I don't think it got above about 45 at the peak of the day today. And now I'm sure it's well below 40. And I'm gonna go roll this sucker back in the shed until the weather improves and I get some time to take care of the other odds and ends.